Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we are going to calculate the estimates and get the results. So to start the calculation of the estimates, we go to the toolbox and we click Calculate Estimates. It's asking us to save the model. So I'm going to save it here. Give it a name, save it at your desired location, and click Save. And I run into a problem. Because I'm using an invalid character, it's not calculating the estimates. So remember how we fix that? We right-click it, Object Properties, and we can just put Well-being. We close it. And now let's try to calculate our estimates again. So you'll see changes in the input-output window just now, and also that a window was showing here, but that was for a split second, very fast. To see the results, you'll notice that this View the Output Path diagram has been activated now. If you remember previously, it was grayed out. We click on it, and here we are. Now, the first thing that you want to do, in order to better understand the estimates, you need to click on Standardized Estimates. The first one is giving us row scores without standard deviation. And it might be a bit confusing for us. So it's better we use Standardized Estimates. Notice that our fit statistic now. So we have the CFI at 0.938. A good CFI is higher than 0.9. So we have a good CFI now. And notice the RMSEA is 0.064. An acceptable RMSEA is 0.1. However, it's much better if it is less than 0.08. And we are complying with both these values. So if you remember, RMSEA tells us how much error has been committed in the model. Another important detail to look at are the parameter estimates. And we have two parameter estimates in our model. So if we click on the magnifying glass tool, as it say, examine the path diagram with a loop or a magnifying glass, you can now see these values much clearly. If you remember the loadings, now we can see how much the loadings are. A good loading should always be more than 0.5, and also it shouldn't exceed 0.85. So if you can see here, we do have etiquette, which is at 0.45, and we're going to do something about it in the next video. Another parameter estimate is the correlation between the subconstructs. So if you see here, we have very good parameters. And how do we determine that? Anything which is higher than 0.2 is a good correlation. In the next video, we are going to revise our model so that we can have a better CFI and RMSEA score. Before moving to the next video, take a few moments to answer this question.